Cowboy Joe Pettee is riding the range of success. Joe, a 1980 graduate and the College of Nursing's Outstanding Alumnus of the Year for 2015, is the president, CEO, and founder of Access RN, a Northwest Ohio-based company which specializes in placing vascular access devices in nursing homes, long-term acute care facilities, and hospitals. The firm this little guy founded in 1998 has 300 employees in 16 states, and they perform more than 25,000 procedures a year. Before Joe came along, a patient in a nursing home would have to be transported to a hospital to have, say, a PICC line installed, perhaps waiting up to 2 hours in an emergency room. A nationally recognized expert in vascular access and peripherally inserted central catheters, Joe's talents are also in great demand in China. Joe visits there twice yearly, establishing teaching standards and best clinical practices throughout that country. Joe has been instrumental in developing connections with China and the Toledo community too, bringing UT and ProMedica together with Shanghai People's Hospital, establishing clinical relationships. When he's not doing all of those things, Joe also provides clinical and consulting services for several Fortune 500 manufacturers of vascular access devices. Growing up in the Old West End, Joe was familiar with UT. His mom, Dorothy, was an English professor and an advisor on campus. 5 of Dennis and Dorothy's 7 children graduated as Rockets. A 1974 Whitmer High School alum, Joe got much more than a great education at UT. One of just a couple of male nurses at the time, one of his female nursing classmates had a high school friend majoring in pharmacy at UT. Mary Godowick became Mary Pettee in 1981. Joe has been involved with various forms of emergency health care in the area. For 25 years, he was a captain for the Springfield Township Fire and Rescue Service, starting as a volunteer and eventually becoming a full-time firefighter and paramedic. He also served as program director of the Toledo Hospital's Emergency Center Outreach. One of his trips as part of the Disaster Medical Assistance Team was to Homestead, Florida, following Hurricane Andrew. Joe was also on the committee for the first ever paramedic advanced life support levy for Lucas County. Current chairman of the area's Red Cross board, Joe serves on UT's Nursing Alumni Affiliate. Joe and Mary have 4 adult children, Tony, Sarah, Katie, and Erica, a 2012 graduate of the College of Law. The builder of a very successful firm which improves the human condition, Joe Pettee is the College of Nursing's Alum of the Year.